If you're experiencing login issues with Adium, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A stable connection is necessary for Adium to log into your accounts. Step 2. Verify account credentials. Double-check your username and password for accuracy. Make sure there are no typos and that you're using the correct credentials for the service you are trying to access. Step 3. Update Adium. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use the SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 minutes and alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Review account settings. Go to the account settings in Adium and verify that all configurations are correct. This includes server addresses, ports, and any specific settings required by your chat service. Step 5. Restart Adium. Close the application completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login issues with Adium. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the official help resources for further assistance.